Hi guys, it's Dr. Bando, licensed holistic psychologist, helping you live your best life and shift from surviving to thriving. So I have a surviving to thriving skill for you. I'm teaching it on November 9th, 1 p.m. Pacific on Zoom. I'm calling it Harnessing Your It Factor. It will be an hour of me walking you through a practice that you can put into play in your life immediately to harness your it factor and make the greatest impact you can in your day-to-day life. So join me. Links are everywhere. If you're getting this video via email, the link will be in the email. You can also find it on Instagram in my link tree. My Instagram handle is DRBANDO, Dr. Bando. If you don't follow me there, I encourage you to because I put up a lot of free content there and I have a lot more coming. So I hope to see you on November 9th, 1 p.m. Pacific. There will be live Q&A and it'll be chock full of skills that you can put into play immediately. See you then.